Good morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see mobile and wireless security. In this, we are going to see the topic evolution of telephony. Evolution of telephony is a fascinating journey of technological advancement in order to transform the way the human communicate. So now let us see the evolutions, important evolution. In early stage and all, they supposed to use optical communication and acoustic telephony. Before using the telephony, the methods called signal fires, smoke signals, and optical telegraphs were used in order to communicate in long distance. Acoustic telephony experience with transmitting the sound through physical medium like tubes or a string they used in order to lay the foundations for understanding the sound transmissions. Next, birth of telephony. 19th century, in the 1844, Samuel Morse invented the telegraph, which allowing the coded message in order to transfer over long distance. And in the year 1876, Alexander Graham Bell and Elisha Gray independently they both developed the telephone. Bell patented his device first, as well as marking the official beginning of telephony. The telephony was established in an official way in the year 1876. Then the first telephone transmitted voice using electrical signal over wires. And in the year 1880s, the establishment of telephone exchanges enabled the local calling networks was established in the year 1880s. And expanding the telephony in early 20th century, automatic switching in the year 1891 was launched with the help of Almond Stroger inventor. Automatic exchange of eliminating the manual operators. Each and every call, the manual operators were eliminated in the year 1891 with the help of Stroger, Almond Stroger. And long distance calls, the use of copper wires, as well as improving the amplifiers, which allows the nationwide, as well as eventually they start communicate international level with the help of copper wires usage. And then rotary dial phones in the year 1920s introduced user operator dialing in order to simplifying the call setup. Then mobile telephony emerges in mid 20th century. In 1940s, the first mobile radio telephones which appeared primarily for military as well as business use. And later on in 1960s, they start develop the touchtone dialing, replacing the rotary dials. Afterwards, in the 1964, Bell Laboratories introduced the first practical communications in the way of satellite as well as Telstar in order to boosting the international communications. And after that they start developed the cellular telephony in the in between the 1970s and 1990s. In the year 1973, Martin Cooper of Motorola made the first handheld mobile phone calls. In 1980s, they start the first generation, the cellular network emerged offering analog voice transmissions. In 1990s, the digital cellular networks, 2G network was started introduced offering messaging, text message and all it supports in 2G network. And afterwards, mobile phones became more compact as well as affordable. After that, they start internet and smart telephony in 2000 till at present 3G network as well as enabled data transmission facilitating the internet access on mobile devices. With the help of 3G network, they start accessing the internet facility. And then in 2007, smartphone was launched with the help of Apple. Apple start introduced the iPhone, integrating telephony, internet as well as multimedia. Multimedia is none other than multiple medias can able to access like text, images, video in single device. That's what we used to call as a multimedia. And then 4G LTE 2010 emerged with 4G network. In that, it's capable of using video call, streaming, real-time applications were supported in 4G. After that, the 5G network in 2020s offers ultra high speed. The fast access network is processed with the help of 5G network, low latency as well as massive connectivity, enabling the technology like Internet of Things, AI as well as autonomous system was emerged in 5G network. Future aspects in evolution of telephony is they start developed 6G promises even faster data rates as well as integrating with advanced real-time features of with the help of artificial intelligence. It's going to give some immersive experience. After that, quantum communication which going to exploring the secure telecommunications using the quantum encryption security process. In order to secure the process, the communication, they emerged the quantum communications techniques. After that, integrations with AI is also future prospects. Voice assistance, predictive dialing, as well as the personalized communication experience are becoming mainstream among the mobile computing through telephony. Hope you understand. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.